Hi everyone, welcome to fourth tutorial session on IC engine connecting rod assembly. This is Satisha Kumar K, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, Puttur. In this session, I will going to explain the assembly of connecting rod. Please watch the steps carefully for better understanding the connecting rod assembly. After completion of part modeling of 10 parts under connecting rod assembly, we have to save it in desired folder. From that folder, we have to borrow the parts into the assembly sheet to complete the assembly drawing. 10 parts already over. Now you have to click on the assembly. In that, you have to find out the desired folder. I got connecting rod assembly. In that total 10 parts you can see. First you have to click on the cover. You have to drag into the sheet. Then you have to set distance piece. Sorry, bearing brush. I don't want to bring into the sheet. Then you can see here. You have to click on the line. Here you can see three dotted lines. After clicking that three dotted lines, if you get that three dotted line, right click on the right mouse button. You can see quick pick. In that you have to edge the face edge you have to select. Then you want to click the that edge. Next you have to go for distance piece. In that also you can see three dotted line. Right click, can be edge. That edge should align with that this edge. Likewise you have to click. Now that part is should mirror to opposite side. For that purpose, mirror, select the plane, then select the part, right mark, OK. You can see that part is mirror to opposite side. Finish. Similarly, the bearing brass also you have to opposite to another side. For that mirror, plane you want to select, here right plane you want to select, then that part, right mark you have to click, then click OK. Next, finish it, then go for connecting rod. You have to bring into the sheet. Here also same procedure. You have to three points, then click on edge, then outer edge of distance piece. Likewise you have to assemble it. Next part is, you can see front view, the bush you have to bring into the sheet. Here first, similarly you can see the three points. You can see we click on the that, then edge you have to select. This edge should align. The alignment is over, the mating also over. Next is stud you have to bring into the sheet. Stud you have to bring into the sheet. Stud, first axle align with that hole like this, then pinhole is there, no, that one you have to right click. This edge should align with that side, that edge, that circle. Likewise you have to keep the stud. Then go to washer, bring into sheet. Same procedure here also, outer circle you have to select, edge, that edge should align with that slot, that part. Likewise you have to assemble it. ISO. Next you have to go for nut. nut you have to bring into the sheet. There also axial align you have to do. For that, axial line, that axis should align with that circle. Then it go for that curve surface. For that you have to little bit you tilt the drawing. That surface should align with hole, the pinhole, that hole. Likewise, the mating is over. Bring into front view mode. You can see true hole. Then bring into ISO mode. You can see front view looking like this. The side view looking like this. ISO mode. Now you have to insert the pin. This is the pin you have to insert. For that also you have to select tip of the circle. Then you have to first you have to select axial alignment. Onto the you can see right, add three dotted lines. Then edge you have to select that circle edge you have to select. Now you have to align the pin in equal half. You can see extra projection outside is there. For that you have to go to pathfinder. In that pin you have to select, then click on that one. Here x distance, the distance you have to give minus 2 you have to give. Now you can see that is equal aligned to the both halves. Likewise you have to insert the pin. And also here, while placing pin, just click on that part, pin part. Wait for three dotted lines. Then you have to click right mark. Then you have to select edges. All assembly you have to do similar manner only. Now you have to go for split pin. Split pin you have to bring into the sheet. Zoom the part like this. Select curve surface. You have to select the curve surface so that axial alignment is curve surface you have to select. Then you have to select the curve surface of the nut, that slot. You have to select that one. Next you have to press Ctrl L. Press Ctrl L. You can see the view like this. Then go to with the help of move command. You have to move the part. Move the part left direction. Properly you have to select the Y axis, Y line like this. Now you have to insert the pin up to this much. Now click on ISO mode. Then select. Now you have to mirror it opposite side. These parts, all parts into opposite side. For that go to mirror and select the top plane, and go to pathfinder, select the parts, which parts you want. Pin, nut, washer, stud, only this much. This part should you have to opposite side. So that right click and OK. Now you can see that parts are opposite, the mirror it to opposite side. That finishes the assembly of connecting rod. Keep it in right side view, ISO, okay, like that. Now to finish it, Save the drawing in desired folder by giving suitable name or keep it as it is. Desired folder, you will find out connecting rod, the connecting rod, save it. Then go to, now you have to bring that one to 2D view. For that file, go to create drawing, OK, and go to next, front, you have to select, then you have to select next, then top you have to select, and ISO mode also you have to select, then finish it. Now you have to go to change the sheet setup. You have to remove the backgrounds, and you have to fit sheet, and you have to bring the drawing into the sheet. Drag into the sheet like this. Then you have to give a suitable scale values you have to give. You can choose any scale value, but that drawing should be inside the sheet only. Now you have to delete the front view, then go to cutting plane, then select the top view, select the line, draw a line exactly center like this. This method you can use only for when it is question asked front section plane. Front half section means you have to go for broken out section view, but if it is asked for only section front view, full section front view, then this method you can use. After drawing line, you have to go to finish, then go to section view, click on the horizontal line, then you have to click the front view. You can see section plane like this. Here you can show the some extra major dimensions you can show. That completes the assembly of connecting rod. This is the front view, this is the top view, isometric view. That completes connecting rod assembly